Learning English becomes easier when you learn it through real-life stories. Today, we follow someone arriving in New York for the very first time.
Wow. This city is amazing. I'm excited. And a little nervous.
Welcome. I'm happy you're here.
Thank you. I'm ready to learn.
Let's learn 3 useful expressions. I'm excited. I'm ready. Thank you. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great. Everything is new.
That's wonderful. Notice the answer. I'm feeling great. Native speakers use this expression every day.
Good morning. What would you like?
I'd like a coffee, please.
Instead of saying, "Give me coffee," say, "I'd like a coffee, please."
My English isn't perfect.
Every mistake helps you improve. Every journey begins with one conversation. Keep practicing, keep speaking. Every day, you'll become more confident.
One page is missing. Maybe that page contained the most important message. Someone removed it on purpose.
Then someone wanted this story to remain unfinished. Hidden inside the cover was a small piece of paper. It contained only an address. I think we should visit this place.
I agree.
The journey was quiet. Emma couldn't stop thinking about the mysterious letter.
First time in New York?
No, but today feels different.
The address led them to an old apartment where someone had once lived many years ago. This must be the place.
Let's find out.
An old caretaker remembered the family immediately.
I haven't heard that name for years.
We found something that belongs to them.
The caretaker shared a beautiful story about hope, friendship, and unfinished dreams. The letter was never about money, it was about forgiveness.
Sometimes words arrive exactly when they're needed.
Every story teaches more than English. It teaches life. Some discoveries change our language. Others change our hearts. Every conversation opens a new door. Every story teaches a new lesson. And every lesson brings you one step closer to speaking English with confidence. Thank you for learning with Quantora AI. See you in the next English story, episode 5.